Hello students and a very warm welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In today's tutorial, we will solve some question that is related to ISI Msqe. In short, we are going to solve some question from the year or question paper of 2016. In case of any query, you can contact us on 98367-93076. And if you wish to know more about us, you can check in our website, which is www.sauravsirclasses.com. So, in today's tutorial, we will solve question number 7 of 2016 paper. The question says, consider an intertemporal choice problem in which a consumer maximizes utility, and this is the function. Now, subject to this, where in this case C1 and C2 is the consumption of period 1 and 2 and D is the discount factor. Now the question says that let utility, the function is given, takes the log formation. Then find the condition or a condition such that there is consumption smoothing. Let's do this. So first, before starting, we shall rewrite the maximization problem. And in this case, because it is consumer, so it's a utility maximization problem. So consumer utility maximization problem is given by maximize, it takes the log form, so we are rewriting it, log C1 plus log C2, so it is log C2 by 1 plus the discount factor. And this is with respect to C1 comma C2 and both shall be greater than equal to 0, subject to C1 plus C2 by 1 plus R is the interest rate, is equal to W. So solution to the above problem must satisfy the following. So what are the conditions that it needs to satisfy? The conditions are 1 plus del C2 by C1 is equal to 1 plus R, and C1 by C2 1 plus R is equal to W. So solving the above for C1 comma C2 we get, so this, the values will become 1 plus del W by 2 plus del comma 1 plus R W by 2 plus del. Now consumption smoothing was the question. So consumption smoothing occurs when both the periods, consumption in both the period, consumption in both the periods is same in optimum. This is the very meaning of consumption smoothing. And as far as this problem is concerned, this consumption smoothing will be achieved only when R is equal to discount factor. This will be the answer. Now let us move on to the second part. Now let us read the second part. The part 2 says, plot the two cases where consumer biases its consumption towards the future and consumer do the same thing towards the present. Put C2 on the vertical and C1 on the horizontal axis. So they want us to do something and there is a condition also. And the last part says, suppose that there is consumption smoothing. Solve for C1 star and interpret this equation. Okay. So we'll do both these together. Let's do it. So here I have drawn two diagrams. So first case we want to show future biased. And case 2 we want to show that present biased. Now one thing you should know before going into diagram and stuff. So let me make the two lines, okay? The budget line first. So it will be, this will be W, this will be W1 plus R. Same thing for this. Join it using a straight line. Now you will go, so we have the function in both the case. We will continue with the function, the form given, that is the log form. Okay, so it is log Ci, and for this also. Now if we think, you will definitely, you will be biased or think more or preference more, you will give more preference to future consumption only and only if the interest rate is high. So this will happen with discounting factor is less and interest rate is high, then future valuation of future consumption is more. And this will happen when the discount factor is greater than the interest rate. Just the opposite case. So let us do it. So if this happens, so let us make the 45-degree line first. That denotes C1 is equal to C2. And in this case also, I'll do the same. So this indicates C1 is equal to C2. So what will be the position of the curve? IC. So I'll do it using a different color so it becomes convenient. So if you prefer the future, that means the interest rate is higher. It will be somewhere here, tangency. And if you prefer present, then you consume more in today. That means it will be somewhere here. The tangency, that means equilibrium point. Now the last question which was asked was with regard to consumption smoothing. So if we consider at all, so considering a consumption smoothing, then we have C1 star is equal to C2 star is equal to 1 plus R Y1 plus Y2 by 2 plus R. This will be the answer. So with this we finish with question number 7. We have answered all the parts. So I hope our videos are helpful to you guys, and if they are, then please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and thank you so much for watching.